All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to post a blog. And so here's some of the previous blogs on my website. I have this in like a tile format um, just to kind of show them. But I am going to post a new blog and I'm going to show you kind of all the elements to make sure you're including when you're posting a blog. And so I am going to go to go to posts, and then I'm going to add a new post. So the title of my blog, I'm just going to paste that here. Should your business jump on every marketing trend? And so I already created all the content for this blog, and I will copy and paste that into um, this area below, and it's in the code section, so the visual will look somewhat decent. And I'm going to go through and kind of show you some of the things that I would change or that I would add. Um, so um, So you're going to want to have title tags, and title tags are essentially telling Google what it is, like what the article is about, and then kind of like summarizing that within um, the header tag. And so um, I had the title of the article, and I'm going to paste that in here. And so that would be the header one, so the H1 tag. And you're just gonna have to look. Sometimes it puts it in there automatically. Look, like right here, it has it there automatically. So I don't need that. And I'm gonna go through the article and look for kind of the other headers. And these are gonna be H2s. And it looks like it made this entire paragraph, an H2, a header 2 tag. So I'm just going to go through and make that a paragraph. And header 2 tag. And it's going to be the same thing, of course. So that is going to be a paragraph tag. Similar here. Paragraph. So I'm finding all of these headers, and then I'm just calling them out. So again, this is showing Google when it looks at your blog, it is telling people, okay, here's the blog, here's how it's laid out, and so I will mess with that in a little bit. So as you can see, it's kind of broken up by different headers, and I will now add the image that I created, and you're not going to add it inside the body of the blog. Um, WordPress has a specific place that they want you to add this image, and it's scroll down to the bottom right, and it's select featured image. And so I will upload that. I have a folder and most up to date. And then make sure you're always adding that alt text. This is telling Google what the image is all about. And so the title of my article, I'll put in that, and it's Should Your Business Jump on Every Marketing Trend? So this is poking fun at that 6-7 trend that kids are all over these days. So there's my featured image. It's going to add to the blog. And I am going to save this as a draft, and I'll show you what it looks like. So here's how it looks, and it kind of breaks it up and shows you these different sections. So if you just want to zoom in on one of these sections, that's what you can go to. I'll clean it up a little bit before I post it. I'm just kind of trying to show you an example. So if it's all ready to post, um, you can publish it. But first, I'm going to go back and well, actually, there's an excerpt section. This is gonna summarize what your article is all about, and I have a two-sentence description that I'm just going to pipe in here, and I'm going to save that. Then I'm going to go back, and there's going to be other areas in this post where you're going to add some specific SEO stuff that is going to help your blog be found. So right now it's categorized as uncategorized. You don't ever want that your blog to be uncategorized. So I have different categories that all the content on my website is going to fit in. And so this blog specifically would be business strategy. I'm just going to go through some of these categories I've already created. Um, Content marketing tips and tricks, lead generation, nurturing, marketing in general. So those are the ones that I would think it fits in. I've also have a list of tags, and this is kind of like different words that would be put together that would represent what this article is if someone were to search it. So marketing trends, small business marketing, brand strategy, content marketing, and then I have the categories there, and I had the excerpts. What? Oh, the title. I have the title that I'll add in here. It's the title tag. And this is important that you have all these in there. So it just helps your article be found in Google much better. And um, your title tag should be under, was it 60 to 80 characters? And your meta description should be under 150 characters. And then key phrases, again, like marketing trends, evaluating marketing trends. So I'm adding all these to my article, and this is going to help Google find it better and be able to rank it and show it where it's relevant or when people are searching. So I'm going to update that here. All right, I've done a little bit of cleaning up in the post, and so I'll show you what the final product looks like. So here's the headline, the image, and then you scroll through the text, have some of the links here, and then FAQ and a call to action. And so that's what a blog will look like. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.